Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions ceramic graphene inside job. You spray it directly on the surface, as I've done here. We'll spray a little bit more. I'm going to take our handy dandy little brush and just going to give it a decent scrub. Alright, now we got that taken care of. Grab our little towel here. I'm just gonna give it a quick wipe down. Just kind of dry it up here. Okay, so now that we got everything wiped off, scrubbed out, let's come through with a dry towel and we will give it a nice little buff. So I'm having to use one of these headlamp lights that I got at Home Depot to do the inside of this car, because it's a Scion TC. And anybody who's ever been in one or driven one, you know that a lot of light is very limited. So you have to work with what you got. And my garage lights are still broken. So I did use the inside job on the rest of this car. I wiped it here on the door. I didn't go with the brush or anything like I could have, but it's been sitting for a couple of minutes and we're gonna just wipe it off. So the lady who brought me her car today, she's a really good friend and old co-worker. And we've known each other for quite a few years. And she's been a repeat customer ever since the first time I did work on her Corolla that she used to own before this car. So there you have it. Let's do some up and downs on here. And yeah, I mean, the steering wheel came out pretty nice. It's really hard for me to get that edge right there to dry it out, but before anyone comments about spraying it directly onto the surface, it clearly states right there that you could do it on the surface or on a towel, which I did originally, but I didn't realize it needed to be scrubbed out at the time because I didn't have my headlight on, so I took care of that. I got it nice and cleaned up. It feels nice to the touch. It looks really good. In person, it's dark and rich, much like the rest of the interior has turned out. Yeah, so this product, I think I bought it for around $15, maybe less, at O'Reilly's. It's an auto parts store. So if you get a chance to grab some, go ahead and do it. And it's usually going to be right within their main area there when you walk in. But I was trying to see if I could get a good before and after of the dash, but it's kind of hard and my camera does not want to focus. So I'm going to go ahead and finish all this up, and then get this car finished for the next video, and which is going to be a carpet cleaner, and get this car back to the owner. Thanks for watching.